Hi everyone.
Hello guys, hi.
Hi guys.
Hi, hi everybody.
Guys,
Hi.
hello.
So today our meeting agenda presentation. Let's start with the presentation. I'm sharing my screen.
Mhm.
Is it visible?
Yes, we can see this one.
So hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the project that is Invest IQ. As the name itself suggests, it's about the investments. Our team number is team 2 and team name is TechnoStack. So today's meeting agendas are like introduction of team members, their roles and responsibilities. Then we have problem statement. Then we have the project description. Then we have personas. We have technologies which we have used. Then we have algorithms. Then we have the project schedule. Then we have agreement for team working. Then we have retrospective group. Then we have the wiki page link. So myself, Vishita Reddy, I am the project manager and the full stack developer. Next, we have Mahidhar Reddy. He is machine learning engineer. Then we have Afrida. She's also machine learning engineer. And we have Sharon. He is a backend engineer and he does testing. Then we have Nadeem and Srinidhi. They are front-end developers. So let's come to the problem statement. Actually, a lot of people today are interested in investing, and there are different platforms which says raw data. Some of them they do understand the raw data, and some of them they don't understand the raw data which is given the internet. And even if the people who understand the raw data, they are like confused in where to invest, what to do, so they lack decision making. So our application helps them in investments, like they can take decisions properly. We do combine the real time updates, and then we give the investment ideas where they can they can invest and all. So next, Mahi, can you please continue?
Yeah, myself Mahidhar. So as Ruchita said, our project name is Invest IQ. So our team is TechnoStack. Our project is mainly for the investors who struggle with analyzing market trends and making informed financial decisions. So mostly people use trading platforms to trade. So there are so many trading platforms like forex trading, crypto trading, so equity markets, mutual funds, etc. So mutual funds are widely favored invested option. Also, there is cryptocurrency um, and also forex trading. So the Invest IQ is an AI application, is a smart investment assistant that analyzes stock market trends, processes real-time financial news, and provides personalized investment insights and risk alerts. Our application leverages AI-driven time series analysis and natural language processing to deliver real-time financial recommendations. So in our project, it shows the real-time stocks and also the news so that it would be easy for the customers to invest in stocks. So benefit outcomes are better investment decisions with AI-driven insights, alerts, and a real-time market settlement analysis for timely and informed trading. Reduce research time by key financial insights into single platform. Next slide. So persona. So here is Aro Sharma. He's like a 20 years old software engineer. His goal is to simplify his investment decision-making processing by utilizing clear, actionable insights from real-time news. So he want to invest in crypto, but he don't know where to invest and what to do. So our platform um, helps him accordingly. RO values technology and yeah. So RO values technology and data-driven insights. He seeks a tool that um, aggregates real-time news, enabling him to quickly shift without the distraction of raw stock data. So he finds it time-consuming to track news manually and correlate with market trends. So our app helps him with to track the news and also so that he can work so as a software engineer. So he can manage the both. Next. So he's Thomas Selby, 40 years old, corporate manager. His goal is to achieve steady portfolio growth by staying informed about key market developments through timely news updates. So he needs proper news updates so that he can invest and get profits. His challenges are has limited time to stay updated on financial news and market changes. Prefers invest. He's like he need a risk-free investment. Um, and so our platform helps him like to invest and also to see the news. Yeah. So he has a busy schedule. Thomas needs an user-friendly platform that provides real-time news and actionable insights, enabling him to make confident long-term financial decisions without continuously monitoring fluctuating stock figures. Yeah. So she is a Sanjana Reddy, 35 years old financial analyst. Her goal is to optimize her investment strategy with by comprehensive market analysis based on the latest financial news. So our application provides the latest news and also and she can invest there. Sanjana is an analytical and detail oriented, searching for a sophisticated platform. So she was searching for a platform where she can invest and also she get the latest updates, where to invest and what to do. She Her challenges are struggles with quickly assessing the sentiment of large volumes of financial news. So there are many types of data like cryptocurrency, um, mutual funds, forex trading. So she don't know where to invest. So she don't know where to invest. So our platform is like it helps her accordingly. So what interests she had, and it requires a data analysis but finds that many tools lack AI-driven insights. So there are many tools, but they lack AI-driven insights. So we included that. Yeah. And from here, Srinidhi continues.
Thank you, Mahidar. So, coming to InvestIQ, this is going to be an app which would be processing a huge amount of financial data and would require high-end processing and also good security in place. So, we have done a lot of research and decided what technologies we are going to use for the app. So, I'd be explaining a few. So, for the backend, we're using Flask and Node.js. Flask is a Python framework which is very easy to integrate with our ML models to train them. And Flask also simplifies the backend logic, which allows seamless integration between the AI and APIs. So we have also used Node.js, as every backend developer knows Node.js is really good for handling real-time operations efficiently, and it it's a non-blocking framework which has good architecture which enables API requests simultaneously. Next, for front-end technologies, we have chosen to use Next.js and TypeScript. Next.js is a site rendering, site generation website, which ensures very fast performance and SEO-friendly user experience. We have also used TypeScript to improve code quality and maintainability of the software development lifecycle. Next, for database, we've used PostgreSQL. As everybody knows, PostgreSQL is a powerful open source relational database which offers reliability as well as security in place. So that would be a great fit for this app. Further, my friend Nadeem will be continuing the presentation.
Hello everyone, I would like to explain about the APIs and the technologies which we have used in this project while developing our project. So as we all know that a API is nothing but of application programming interface. And we have used here like the Polygon IO and the Financial News API. To talk about the Financial News API, it provides the real-time updates and indicators like such as stock market quotes and the currency exchange rates and the economic statistics. It is used for detailed and up-to-date info in the financial sector. And to talk about the Polygon IO, even it is an API which helps making the trading prediction algorithms and display the historic data about the different securities. Change the slide, please. Yeah, and to talk about the PyTorch, yeah, it is a powerful open source machine learning framework used to train our deep neural networks, and it is available with the Python and C++ interfaces. Finish. And to talk about the Vercel and the DigitalOcean, Vercel is a development and hosting platform designed for deploying and the scaling the web applications effectively. Uh, we are usually deploying our front end application in the Vercel. And to talk about the DigitalOcean, it's an application and web hosting platform, and it's a cloud infrastructure provider. So it provides cloud computing services. So we are deploying our backend and also our machine learning model in the DigitalOcean. To talk about the tools which we have used here, we have used the Visual Studio Code, which helps like with the code editor. Like it's an IDE where we develop where we write our code. And to talk about the Postman, it helps us to testing our APIs like with the endpoints like. And also about the Git, it's a version control where we upload our code and where we control our the versions. And for the Docker is used for containerizing our code, and the Slack we usually use it for communication in the team. And now my friend Afrida will explain.
Yep, thank you, Nadeem. Hello, guys, this is Afrida. So now let's talk about AI algorithms power investing IQ. So starting with our NLP model, one of the biggest challenges for investors is filtering through the vast amount of financial news and determining what actually impacts the market. So our solution is to use advanced natural processing NLP model to process the news in real time and extract key insights. So we are using PHI model, a state of the art of NLP model, to analyze financial news and detect sentiment and identify key topics. So the model processes massive volumes of financial text and determines whether the market sentiment is positive, negative, or neutral. So instead of just displaying raw news, our system translates into the actionable investment insights. So by this way, investors don't have to manually analyze news articles. They can quickly, understand the impact of major financial events on the market. So while NLP helps us understand real-time market sentiment, it is equally important to consider the historical trends as well. And that is where our time series analysis model comes in. Next slide, please. So now let's discuss about time series analysis model, which help us analyze, past stock market trends. So market trends are not just about current events. They are also shaped by historical performance. Our time series analysis module examines past stock market data to identify, patterns, trends that may repeat in the future. So to do this, we use the advanced deep learning modules like LSTM, long short-term memory, and temporal fusion transformers. So these models are specifically designed and for predicting the stock trends based on historical patterns. Although our app does not provide real-time stock tracking, this module ensures that our insights are just data backend and reliable. So it validates our NLP based predictions by comparing them with the past trends and then making our financial insights more contextual and informed. Thank you.
Hi, myself Sharon. So far, our team had discussed about the product management and the technologies used and the personas and the algorithms. But here I'm here to discuss about the how we are assign the work according to Sprint 2, Sprint 1, and Sprint 2, Sprint 3. For the Sprint 2, we have finalized the idea and we have defined the roles accordingly, like me as a backend engineer and as a team leader and the production manager and Mahidar and Afrida is going to be the ML engineers, and the Srinidhi and Nadeem, they are going to be the front end developers. We already set up the Jira, and we have a plan work accordingly. And for the sprint one, we already set up the backend. We're going to set up the backend and database, begin front end development, and integrating the APIs and the start ML model. And accordingly, we're gonna update the wiki page. And for the sprint 2, we're gonna complete AI models and integrating with the backend and the front end and conducting testing and drafting the technical paper and updating the wiki page accordingly. The sprint 3, we here is gonna final testing and optimizing performance, and we're gonna uh, give a demo of the app and everything application. So far, we're gonna present to everybody, and we're gonna take personas from everybody what we improved. And so far next so far we for the sprint 4 we have come up with a project idea, and we have designed the roles accordingly, algorithms, technologies, and the wiki updation and the presentation. And we have a retrospective, we have find out what we need to improve and what we have to done. And we also created the Jira setup. Next slide. uh, Here is our team agreement to maintain the workflow neatly and to ensure smooth collaboration and productivity within a group. For the communication and meeting, we prefer the Slack, and we communicate daily, and we make quick questions, and we make questions on each other so that we can uh, come out with the answer, and we're gonna be good at improvement. And we're gonna set up the virtual in-person meetings in the college times, or any other time when we are available. For the project management, we use the Jira, where we would assign the tasks and to track the tasks and making deadlines and monitor progress. Timely submit. We also maintaining how to submit the project according to timely submissions. Documentation, we already making every document for every sprint or sprint 1 and sprint 2 accordingly, so that we may know what mistakes we have done when we are updating the document every time. For roles and responsibilities, I have said before, Ruchita is going the product management and the full stack developer. She helps by keeping meetings and communication uh, bridge for every one of us. And next, Mahidar, he has experience in the investing, and he has in the he has the idea of the AI algorithms and everything. And after that, they're gonna make sentiment analysis on the AI models which we are using. And for myself, I'm the backend engineer. I'm gonna integrate the APIs and to ensure that the everything goes well. And I'm gonna test everything. I'm a tester also. I'm gonna test everything. And for the front end development, Nadeem and the Srinidhi gonna take care of it. And Srinidhi, he checks for the UI and UX experience, and he upgrades every time. And Nadeem, he gonna make the application like user interactive. We also made a collaboration and support, like we just sort out how to proceed with every step, and who has like a voting basis or anything like that, and ensuring that all the documentations and code and integrations are thoroughly tested and maintained, and is shared responsibility and maintain responsibility accordingly. And this is agreed by every one of us, like Richta, Srinidhi, Mahidar, me, myself, Sharon, Nadeem, and Mehna, Afrida. Next slide, please. Here is a retrospective where what went well so far is like we have decided the project idea and we have done with the assigning roles and technology selection, so algorithm selection, and so far we have maintained good team coordination and communication, and we have done with the PPT preparation. And what can be improved is like that everything we have to improve is like that we have to maintain good communication like this so far, and we have to maintain work balance. And for the action items, the important things are like we have to plan task accordingly and a timely mannerly, and break tasks smaller, and it's gonna be easier for everybody. And we should work every day like 1 hour, 2 hours. Everybody should have times to for the towards the project. Uh, that's good so far. Thank you. And here's a wiki page link.
Yeah. So yeah, that's the end of the presentation. Thank you,
Thank you.
everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.